Welcome back to another Nova Armory armor video. Today we will be taking down a customer's Ruger 1911. First things first, you got to make sure the firearm is safe to handle. And also today we will be taking apart this the more hands-on approach. We usually have a tool that pushes this down because it is spring compressed, but today I'm just using my hands. You want to press this, slide this over to the right. You want to push back the slide just a little bit until you reach a little groove in the middle, right in between here. There's going to be a button on the other side right here that you're going to press. Make sure it's pressed out all the way. Pulls right off. Then you take the slide off of the frame. Take the recoil spring. And then the barrel. Make sure this is flipped down. Alright, today we're going to be doing a basic cleaning on this. First, you want to check out your barrel. First thing you want to do is get a little bit of CLP on a cloth. Give it a nice little wipe down to get all the carbon buildup and all the gunk off of there. Alright, so now when you've got a good little clean on the outside, you got to get your snake. Make sure it's the right caliber, 45 ACP. You want to get a little bit of CLP on the coarse end, just behind it. Get the shoelace end, throw it in through the back of the barrel. Check it out. Make sure if you need to go through another round. Looks good to me. Now you want to get your slide. You want to inspect it. You will have some carbon buildup behind the back over here and along the edges. So what you want to do, you want to get another cloth with a little bit of CLP. Give it a nice rub down. Look, it's already coming up. Might need even to put a little bit in there anyways. Q-tip to go into the smaller spots. Depending how dirty it is, you will have a lot of buildup by the firing pin. You will need a brush to break it all up. Make sure that extractor is clean under there too. You want to get some COP on a cloth. You want to run through there to pick up all the broken up stuff. You want to make sure that extractor in that firing pin area is very clean. Almost to the point where you're picking nothing up from back there. Then once you're satisfied with your clean on your slide, move on to your frame. On 1911s, you'll get a lot of buildup back here and around the feed ramp area. So you're going to need to hit it with some CLP. You really want to get in there even in the mag well at the very top as well, because you're still going to get blowback of some carbon. You want to clean up right around the hammer. Clean these sides too and get them lubricated a little bit. Want to get a little bit of CLP, a little dot drip right around the hammer area. And work that hammer. Now when you're happy with your cleaning, inspect everything. Give everything a good little wipe down. No, give a little bit of CLP on this guy. Just a little clean little wipe down, take anything off that visually you can see. Now that you're done cleaning everything, you want to make sure everything is properly lubricated. Get a little Q-tip. Get some CLP on there. On the frame, you want to run it along right here. So a thin little layer. Along right here as well. Thin little layer. You want to go in here and get in these cracks as well. This is where the contact of the slide and the frame. Not too much oil. On the barrel, you want a little bit. Alright, first you want to do is put the barrel back in the slide. You want to get your barrel like this. Make sure this little O is facing towards that end of the barrel. Slide in like so. So when you put your barrel in, this little piece, make sure this side is facing the left side. And then twist it, make it face the right. You get your recoil spring, make sure the curved edge is face down. And now you can put these two back together. You get these slide to the frame, and you attach it with these two hooks. And now you get this little pin and you align this little dot right there. And you want to hear a click and see that it's popping out on the other side. Now, you just have to push this back in. Put the cap on. Good to go. And now the last step is to clean up all the extra oil, the excess oil and everything. All right, and now we have it all cleaned up. Thanks again for watching another Nova Armory Armor video, and hope to see you again.